this was gonna hit the camera. Nah, I'm good. I was only gonna hit my screen. Okay. How many viewers do we got right now? We got, oh dang. Damn, this is one of the first times that I've seen we've had more likes than viewers. Give yourselves a round of applause. That's on you guys. That's what's up. There's only 45 viewers, but 59 likes. Who didn't like? I can't say who didn't like because there are enough. Unless there is someone that didn't like. I'm just saying. It's messed up. You know, guys? We try to bring you guys quality content. We try to entertain you guys, engage with you. You know, we're trying to be out here. You suck at spelling. I'm dyslexic. I don't even know how to spell. But, you know, I mean, we try to help you guys out. So, if you guys do want to support us, I do appreciate the donations and stuff. But, really, the best way to help support us is just go pick up your airsoft stuff at airsoftgi.com. 100%. You support them, it helps us make stuff because that's the point of our YouTube channel, to help both grow. It's like a conglomeration of YouTube channel here, and then like, the website, and then we just like suck off each other. That was weird. What?
I always knew there was a payoff to shopping at airsoftgi.com. Anyway, thank you for sticking around. I know it took a little bit to get this video out, but again, I'd like to thank the tens of subscribers that I have. And I'm approaching 100. That's pretty cool, and I appreciate you guys being here. And I was at Texas Star this past weekend, or yesterday actually, and a couple people actually mentioned me by name, called me Primate, and I'm very happy about that. I'm very flattered as well. So thank you guys. And this video was from a couple weeks ago, and it's sponsored by Heavy Breathing.
Of course, it rained just enough to piss us off and make it nice and humid today.
Good Lord, it's just a walk up to the warm-up game and now I'm already breathing hard. Anyway, this gameplay was from September 19th, 2021 at D14 Airsoft in Sanger, Texas. This is my first game back from the Texas Airsoft Summer Hibernation, and I'm running my Sig Sauer Pro Force MCX Virtus AAG rifle, which I of course purchased from airsoftgi.com last year. It's an absolutely awesome rifle straight out of the box, but as always, I did the standard upgrades most AAG rifles get, except for the Gucci buffer tube in stock. That was something I should have done sober. Anyway, the spring upgrade has pushed it up to that sweet 440 FPS DMR range, which gives me the opportunity to not have to walk as far as I need to touch you gently with my .28 gram BBs. For my sidearm, I'm running my limited edition Elite Force Hater. It's basically the Hater with a white finish rather than the standard black. The Hater is just a simple CO2 handgun and it's always reliable. And yeah, for the BB Wars this year, I did paint a little black on there just for funsies.
Summers just make me lazy, man. It's like, yeah, I'm gonna sit at home all day in the AC. Screw that going outside noise.
How can the little two guys show up? Because I'm not at 4-on-6. You guys gonna come out next week?
Yep, should be here Saturday. Ugh. It's supposed to be a little cooler next weekend.
Oh, yeah, like go some lows in the 50s next week.
Wait, is Texas Star next week? Oh, then I won't be here next week because I didn't buy it.
Yeah, it's just walk on prices. That's the best part.
Oh, it is? Oh, so I just don't want to dress up.
You don't have to.
Oh, cool.
Green or whatever. If you're DC, you can just wear like scrubs. Although I don't recommend. I played in scrubs and man, it gets so.
Oh yeah.
With the sweat.
No,
like little cut marks all over me.
Dude, I was already sweating just putting my stuff in my car this morning, man. I was like, maybe I should stay home. All right.
Bro, we just came back from there. Alright. Get back, you go.
Hit! Good shot. That way.
Go down this road on the right, and it should be the building right up the top of the hill.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we're close to you.
Say what?
I thought their spawn was way back.
Yeah, so did I, man. I was like,
Right here,
oh.
so I ran straight into the middle of all.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm like, oh, there he goes. Oh, he's already out. Damn.
I thought I'd have like 30 seconds more.
And you got a sniper going too. It's like, this may not be a good idea. Just stay like right here.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Probably that little cross.
Yeah, as soon as I heard the shit, I'm like, oh, get on your knees, stay down. I got 2 or 3 of them, I
I
think.
think that would have worked with just this guy, but then 2 popped around right
Yeah.
there. And yeah.
I'm kind of glad it is that close now, because, like, all right, I don't have to walk so far for this, because I'm out of shape already.
Hiding the farther.
It's hot.
You're sitting in your pocket, so I'm thinking, yeah.
All right, there's no exit here. I shot. Ah! Then not a nice shot. I was doing so well. Dead man. Woo! I got team killed. It's like, bro. Yeah. I was backtracking because I saw that guy like right here. And I was going to go around. I didn't hear any of you guys over there, so it's alright. It's not like I haven't shot my guys before. A couple times on purpose, but they had it coming. Hit! You should have kept going. Dead man. Woo! Stand off.
I didn't get you while you were sitting over there. I could have swore I hit you.
It happens, man. Well, one of my guys got me, so you know, whatever. I was coming around this way. I'm like, look at the tapers, look at the tapers. I mean, it's all matching blue. Whatever, it's all right. I think they said they were going to do one more, which is cool. Whew. Ah. All right, I'm going to go this way. Okay. So if anybody is going to shoot that way, I'm going that way.
Right on. Watch one of those. After this.
All right, stupid trees.
All right, so this is the final warm-up game. And I gotta say, this is quite possibly the most epic run I've ever had in Airsoft. It's so John Wick, it's not even funny. I mean, oh my God, it's just, oh, well, I'm out. That took about 20, 30 seconds. Nice job, Slick.